Uh,
I have turned an entrepreneur.
Oh, wow.
Thank you guys.
Superb.
And we've joined in with friends, and I have started a parlor.
Oh, wow.
So yes, so I
Super.
wanted to share it. I just shared it with Anita. In fact, only she knew about it.
Oh.
So I said anyway. But so with all of your blessed wishes and best wishes, I think I should make it a roaring success.
Wow.
So need lots of best wishes from all of you.
Congratulations so much. So you're doing it like you have set up a home parlor, or what is it?
No,
Like?
no. We've set up a proper parlor.
Oh, wow. That's
As
very
in,
nice.
yeah. I got in, into partnership.
Okay.
And that was the same parlor I used to visit, and they were going through financial issues.
Oh, wow.
So then,
you became investor for them.
so I became a investor partner because I was anyway interested in that field. Somehow it was encouraging me.
Wow.
And I guess listening to all your talks, I got quite motivated
Superb.
to find another avenue of earning.
That's
So
so
I said,
wonderful.
Another window.
yes, another window.
So where is this?
This is here only in Malad East.
Acha, okay.
And I'll share with you guys the ad that we've made for it also.
Sure.
You can give us all your good wishes and blessings. So
Yes.
I will step into a new life now from going forward.
So when is it starting off, like operations?
We just started the operations, in fact.
Oh, wow, wonderful.
हाँ
That's
जी,
great.
हमने उसको inaugurate कर दिया, खोल दिया. In fact, we had few customers also who came in because 6 months. Say it was under lockdown and closed.
Correct.
So in fact, people were also waiting for this chance. And
So it's a brand owned, ma'am, or you have developed your own brand? Own branding
no. It's own branding. It was already there, the parlor. It came under the name of Viviana. So,
Fantastic.
so we have two. One outlet is here in Malad, and the other is in next to Film City.
Super. Wow.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So thank you guys for all your motivations.
Great going.
I ultimately took the decision. It was just hoga, kare, nahi kare, kaise hoga, nahi hoga.
Wonderful.
So thank you to all of you.
Welcome.
So I wanted to share this.
Yes.
Yeah. And something that all I think ladies need as a me time place to run away from home.
Correct.
Nowadays, it's a huge potential for males also. You know?
Yeah.
Everybody wants to look good and the corporate look and all. So they are getting conscious and then presentable.
True
and
that.
All that.
True.
Yeah.
So
right now we have it only for ladies, but yeah, I guess they needed that me time. I'm with guys working from home.
Right.
I mean, I can say mine also because my daughter and husband both from home means, I think I need that break time to get out of the house.
That's true.
This was a lovely opportunity for me.
Super. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you, dear. All of you all. Thank you so much.
All the best and congratulations once again, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome.
पार्टी तो बनती है.
Yes.
Paka. On the last day, yes, of this course, we should do a party.
Yes.
Done.
Virtual party.
Yeah, virtual.
हाँ, सब लोग अपने glasses लेके बैठेंगे and we'll do a cheers.
I'm in for that.
Yeah.
Good evening, everybody.
Good Hi. Chalo, if everyone is back, then we can start off for the session.
Yes, sure. Okay.
All right. So just type in, guys, if you're back, everyone, so that we can start off.
RTG.
Oh, ready to go. Bring it on, BIO.
Bring it on, yes. BIO.
Yeah. Cool. Neeraj ji. Chalo, good. Great. So everyone has got their pen and paper, books, everything with you, right? Sabko pata hai kya hai rules to. Because now I'm going to make you do some exercise today. And that will help you to shorten down your goal, basically. So it's a very interesting task. Everyone is there on their seat, guys, so that you can do the task. Because I don't want anyone to miss this out. If someone is not there, so
I'll take just 10 minutes. I've finished with feeding. I should be up in within 10 minutes. I think Nahid is also on the way, na? So she also.
Yeah, right.
So we too will take 10 minutes.
Okay. So what should
we can discuss things.
We can do some lectures till then,
that's what,
and then the task.
Yeah. Then we will.
Just a suggestion, Saurav.
Yes.
I will take 5 minutes.
Okay.
No problem.
Done.
So we can have daily agenda. We can share the daily agenda
Uh-huh.
in text form
Okay.
in our group. So that we can be mentally prepared. There's nothing so surprising about it, but
Uh-huh.
still.
All right.
So uh, basically, it's just, every day is a surprise for us. So
Right. That's the reason we don't tell कि क्या सिखाने वाले. We are like,
then leave it. Then leave
yeah,
it.
because
Then leave it.
surprises, people like surprise. If we tell ना कि अच्छा decision making सिखाना, then बहुत सारे अरे decision making क्या सीखना हमको तो आता है करके. Then you don't
चलो
come.
marketing करके आ जाता है ना.
Yeah,
We'll
then
go to the market.
right, and then you don't do that, and then you miss out the lectures and all. So इसके लिए we don't tell anyone कि क्या
So let
सिखाना.
it be.
How,
Let it be.
and then सीखो.
Maybe
One-
what
one-
you can do is you can say that, okay, within first 30 minutes you should be there so that we will do some exercise, something like that.
That we can tell. Like, almost every day something or the other is gonna happen.
Punchline.
Yeah, maybe it's like first half, or maybe within first half an hour we will be doing this, or it's
Right.
okay later.
Like
So
that.
my suggestion is that we should wait only for 10 minutes. Everybody should be punctual and disciplined. I think so.
Yes.
That's what
If
we have
I
been
am-
doing. वही हम लोग करते थे. Like हमारे कोई भी sessions, like we have never started off so late. अगर मैं 8:30 बोला है ना, bang on 8:30. If only first day or 2 days I give them the time to.
Yes.
First day, 10-15 minutes
We
relaxation.
should be committed
Yeah.
with time.
Only for
5
the
minutes
first day,
is enough.
right?
Yeah, 5 minutes
Yeah.
is enough.
Correct. So by maximum 5 minutes I used to wait and then used to start off the session. And मैं तो बाद में
Yes.
repeat भी नहीं करता था. If someone calls and asks ना कि बताओ क्या है, तो I used to never repeat also. And उनको तो मैं videos भी नहीं देता था. आप लोग को at least video मिल रहे हैं. उनको-
So in case somebody misses out,
Right.
so we can always, check out through the videos.
Correct.
As today I was late in joining
Right.
due
Right.
to XYZ reasons, but again, I should be disciplined enough to join in at the right time.
Absolutely.
Yes,
true.
yes.
So that everyone respects each other time and then we can
Yes.
start off
So
the session.
today we can relax.
So last week I had, guys, last week I had posted one link of T. Harv Eker.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
You all
yes.
go through it. It is
Yeah.
the
Good.
happiness. It is about happiness. It's a
Happiness, right.
wonderful program which he had given. If anybody has missed it, please go through it and then attend his session. It's a free session that he's offered.
Absolutely, ma'am. I just had a glance and then we'll go through it.
Will
No,
you please send that
basically-
one again in this new group so that
I will just get the link. I will post the link here.
thank you.
And now all the conversations now new group में मत करना जो अपन का already old group है. We will do all the conversation in that group only.
Okay.
Either don't share, like everywhere don't share because too much of them
Yes.
WhatsApp में बहुत सारा data हो जाता है. It becomes too much.
Mhm.
So एक ही group में रखेंगे and that's a good group, like interactive group. And already there are other peoples also over there. So one place में share it, that's it. And नाइट जी क्या हुआ आपका वो अपना डेक का पिच डेक का?
So she's about to reach the deck now.
I guess she's not here. Huh.
She'll get back.
Right.
On the way. What's the scenario, Saurabh, now in Mumbai and Pune and all that? Lockdown still continues or?
The lockdowns are still there, but then people are very like casual and all now. आराम कर रहे हैं सब लोग, चलते हैं. Like everything is open now. Everything is open.
They are learning to live with Corona.
Yeah, absolutely. So everything is open now, and
We
people
can't
are
stay like this forever, right?
true. That's what.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
सब अपना
with-
काम
with-
धंधा कर रहे हैं. Sift trains
Right,
are not
right.
working. That's it.
Oh.
Metros are not working, and everything
Okay,
is
okay.
working now. Offices and all.
Without and local and all, they are running? in
No,
Mumbai?
locals are not running right now.
They're not running.
No, they are
So
not yet
it's
started.
work from home majority of the people.
Yeah, majority of them are like work from home, but then people जिनके खुद के offices है and all, small offices and all, जिनके small entrepreneurs and all, they all have opened their offices. Malls have opened up over here.
But still, a majority of the population in Mumbai, they were, based on locals only.
Right,
So it
that's
must
true.
be a crisis for them.
Correct, yes.
I heard about the Dabbawalas. Somebody shared
Ah.
on FB. They are
Uh-huh.
out of business now.
Right, everyone is out of business. It's bad everywhere from
Yeah,
last
like
4
that.
months. So it will take more another 6 months. I feel personally like till March, April तक कुछ होने नहीं वाला है. इसका
Right.
something
Actually,
happened.
we cannot depend upon the vaccine also. Vaccine
Correct.
has got side effects, you know.
Right.
Even if the vaccine comes and somebody goes for vaccine, there are so many side effects.
Right. Because
So
it's
it's
all
better
trial and error is going to happen with the vaccines also right now.
like
So
that.
you
The
don't.
vaccines, as per me, we should not get ourselves vaccinated.
Yes,
Right.
not at
Because
all.
in 2017, 25,000 US soldiers were given an influenza vaccine. And those 25,000 soldiers are now prone to corona just because of that vaccine they were given. So
Oh,
I think we should delay as much as possible and we should get only the final vaccination
right.
Yeah,
or
like that.
no vaccination. We
So
should
No
keep
basically,
vaccination.
properly healthy
I
and
feel.
immunized.
you know, Gaurav, it's a sensitive issue as a parent. You know, the theory of vaccination is wrong. Basically, uh, the gentleman who's trying to vaccinate the whole world, Mr. Bill Gates, he hasn't got his children vaccinated even.
See,
Yeah.
What
even
respect?
today, as per I would say, the vaccination that we are given by the government of India, there are approximately 20 vaccines. I have
Yeah,
given my children only 8 vaccines, which are only utmost necessary. I have skipped other vaccines.
yeah.
And I needed a certificate for the school. So I told my doctor that I will not get vaccinated, but you need to give it to me. And he gave it to me. He obliged easily
Yeah, that's right.
because he knew it that those vaccines are only for the money making scheme or for the people below BPL category who could not afford good food or good hygienic practices around in and around his or her home.
Like
Uh-huh.
that.
So,
Mhm.
so only 8 vaccines are required out of 20.
Yeah,
Oh.
absolutely.
So
It's all
you can
money
get it
making.
checked by your doctor or whosoever pediatrician that you refer to. Even they'll tell you all those things only.
Teach you very interesting thing also. What I'm going to teach you is I'm going to teach you goal setting and decision making. ठीक है? So मैं आपको अभी एक टास्क देने वाला हूँ and that task आपको follow करना है which will help you to do your goal setting. Alright, so everyone has got their pen paper. आपके पास सभी के पास आपके books है, pen है, right? तो सबसे
Yes.
पहले आप लोग को क्या करना है? I guess now. Wait, just a moment.
She's joined.
Yeah, she joined in again. Let her join. All right. So the very first step, what you have to do, guys, is that you have to think about 25 priorities that you want to achieve in your life in next 3 years. 25 वो प्रायोरिटी को सोचो आपके मन में थ्रू योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड जो आपको नेक्स्ट 3 साल में अचीव करने हैं and then you have to write them down. If you can't write 25, write as many as you can. Don't get into 5, 6, 7, 8. Write as many as you can.
Will you repeat that, please?
Yeah. What I'm saying is that you have to write 25 things which are of a priority for you that you want to achieve in the next 3 years. आपको 3 साल में नेक्स्ट 3 साल में आपको कौन से 25 चीज ऐसे चाहिए जो आपको अचीव करने हैं आपके लाइफ में. ठीक है? Everyone's clear with this?
Yes.
All right. So this we will do live. I'm not just going to give the task to you, the steps. I'm going to make everyone do over here. तो सभी अभी सोचेंगे. I will give you 10 minutes or 5 minutes or something. You have to think about the 25 things आपको जो life में आपके next 3 साल में चाहिए. And that can be anything, even small thing it can be. Like I want to buy a skateboard. That also can be a priority for you in next 3 years. Or you want to learn salsa. You want to learn XYZ. Whatever it is. आपके जो भी 25 priority आपको लगते हैं आपके हिसाब से, you can put that. I'm just giving you the example. Like I want to buy a house, or I want to go for a world tour, or I want to be an influencer, or I want to start my YouTube channel. कुछ भी हो सकता है. मैं तो ऐसे random examples दे रहा हूँ. पर आपके जो 25 है आपको उसको लिखना है. Everyone's clear, right? If you're clear, just I will give you 5 minutes. I guess 5 to 7 minutes would be more than enough for you to do that. लेके आओ. And then we can take it further. इसके बाद एक दूसरा step है, we have to do that. And guys, जिनके 15 के ऊपर already हो गए, you can do this till the time they do. What you have to do is that now you have to rate these things from 1 to 25 as per your priority. Example मैं बताता हूँ कैसे. Suppose मैंने लिखा रहेगा first मैंने लिखा रहेगा I want to start my YouTube channel. The second वाला मैंने कुछ लिखा रहेगा कि I want to buy a car. The third might be I want to learn skating and all. Example I'm giving. तो अभी इसमें सबसे first मेरा क्या priority है? तो मैं देखूंगा कि अच्छा आई वांट टू स्टार्ट माय यूट्यूब चैनल इज माय फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी, तो उसको मैं नंबर 1 दूंगा. फिर आई वांट टू लर्न स्केटिंग, तो उसको मैं नंबर 2 दूंगा. फिर लाइक अगर मेरे को इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना है एंड दैट इज देयर, तो दैट इज माय नंबर 3 थिंग. एंड लाइक आई वांट मिनिमम 5 सोर्सेज ऑफ इनकम, दैट वुड बी माय 4th थिंग. सो आपको जो अभी आपने जितने भी लिखे हैं 20-25 उसको नंबर्स देने हैं 1 से लेके 25 तक. अकॉर्डिंग टू योर प्रायोरिटी आपको क्या लगता है व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट इस सब चीज में. क्लियर?
to 5 sort
1 to 25.
1 to 25.
या अगर आपने 25 लिखे हैं तो फुल 1 to 25 लिखना है. 1 to 15 है तो 1 to 15 लिखना है, जितने भी आपके नंबर्स है उस हिसाब से.
Yeah.
Because this exercise is pretty powerful, so I want everyone to be on the same page with me. I don't want to rush आगे ऐसे जल्दी so that you would be left behind.
Sorry, the D2 bit I didn't. The D2 bit I didn't understand. I've re-numbered it. Then after, what is the next stage?
Only D2 tak I have come. I have not yet come on to the step 3. I will be telling you what is step 3.
Oh.
So I'm just waiting
Alright. Done.
for people to do the second step so that they can just type in D2. That's done second task. If everyone is done that, I will then move on to the third task. People, those who have done your D2, just raise your virtual hands over here, na? Because I'm not able to go on the chat up. Yeah, Neeraj ji has done. So just raise your virtual hands idhar, wo jo. Okay, Ujjwala ji has done. Gaurav ji has done. Neeraj ji has done. 3 of them have done. Mayur ji has done. Okay. All right. Anita ji has. Geeta ji has also done. I will just wait for another minute, then I will tell you what you need to do next. Everyone is done, I believe. So now, guys, what you have to do is that now you have to take the first 7 things of yours जो आपने नंबर लिखा है, ठीक है? आपने जो भी नंबर लिखा है ना 1 से 7, उसको एक पेपर में नीचे किधर लिखो आपके बुक में. अभी सब जम्बल्ड अप रहेगा, कोई फर्स्ट इधर रहेगा, फिर 10th के नीचे 3rd रहेगा, जो भी है. अभी आप उसको टोटल 7 चीज है उसको एक साथ लिखो सब लोग. And once you're done this, just type D3. That is done step 3. Super. Great. So I assume सभी का हो गया रहेगा. Now what you have to do is that जो 7 के बाद जितने भी आपने लिखे हैं ना, उनको you literally have to cancel them out. इसको cancel कर दो. Cancel it out. सबको कैंसिल कर दो. सिर्फ वो 7 को रखो. Is everyone on the same page with me? Great. All right. So apart from 7 जो अपन ने cancel किए, that was step 5, D5 you can say. So if you have done till D5, just type in D5 guys.
Saurabh, it was very difficult to cut some points, you know.
Right, I know. इसके लिए मैं बोला. अभी तो और बाकी है.
सौरभ जी ये D4 क्या था अपना?
आपने जो 7 आपने कितने पॉइंट लिखे थे? 15-20 पॉइंट जो भी लिखे हैं ना अविनाश जी, उसमें से आपको सिर्फ टॉप 7 लिखने हैं.
हाँ ठीक.
टॉप 7 के बाद जो भी है उनको कैंसिल कर देना है. लिटरली
कैंसिल कर दिया.
आपको कैंसिल करना है उनको पेपर पे आपके बुक में.
फाइन, कर दिया.
ऑलराइट. नाउ अभी सबने टॉप 7 आपके प्रायोरिटीज लिख लिया आपके फ्रेश पेज पे या फ्रेश जगह पे, करेक्ट?
Yes, done.
Now again what you have to do is that you have to cancel out 2 things out of this which you really don't want. Out of these 7. And then again write the 5 thing in the next बाजू में उसके या किधर भी आपको लिखना है. Great. Everyone is on their top 5, right? If you're on top 5 right now, just type T5.
You are saying कि 7 में से now we have to keep 5?
Yes. Yes. उस 7 में से अगेन आपको रेटिंग देना है जो आपके टॉप 5 प्रायोरिटीज है. ग्रेट. नाउ सभी ने टॉप 5 प्रायोरिटीज आपके लिख लिए लाइफ में. Now again what you have to do is that you have to take out 2 more out of this. Take out 2 more and keep only top 3. And if you are done with top 3, just type in T3. T
that is
top.
difficult.
Yeah, it is, I know. That's the reason. This process is made by me. You won't find this in Google also. I call it as the chunking the monkey process. Once you're done, just type in T3 so that I know everyone is on the same page with me on the top 3. Super. So now what you have to do is that you have to take out 2 out of this and you have to keep only 1.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
या मैं बोल रहा हूँ अभी ये जो 3 आपको मिले हैं ना टॉप 3 उसमें से आपको 2 को निकाल देना है, कैंसिल कर दो उसको और सिर्फ 1 को रखना है. इट इज लाइक अपन इंडियन आइडल का विनर अनाउंस करते हैं.
Last only will remain.
Right, only one will remain. Think very hard and then take your final decision. What is the one thing you want to keep and बाकी 2 को निकालना है आपको. And once you're done with T1, just type in if you can, if you're free, if you're okay with sharing your what is your priority, you can just type in over here in the chat box. What is that T1 for you?
बस नंतर हे झाल्यावर
Okay. All right, Avinash ji. Okay. Ujjwala ji, what do you mean by financial freedom? Like, you need to be very specific with that. Having 1 lakh rupees also is a financial freedom for someone. Having 10,000 rupees in a pocket is also financial freedom for someone. And having crores of rupees is also called as a financial freedom.
Financial freedom for me means that space wherein I don't have to depend on anybody for anything that I need to do.
So what is that? What is that amount basically you are looking out for? What is it that will count as a financial freedom? Like suppose like if I get a sea-facing house in front of Shah Rukh Khan is a financial freedom for me. For an example, I am saying. So what is that financial freedom for you? Because right now what you have written is pretty vague. It can be like money can be a financial. As I told you, किसको 100 रुपए भी मिले तो he is happy with that. किसको 1 करोड़ मिले तो he is happy with that. You need to be very specific, Ujjwala ji.
100 crores.
All right, 100 crores. All right, cool. So you have to write in that the number 1 priority right now is to earn 100 crores rupees. That's your goal. Super. So now guys, the one priority जो आपने अभी आपका goal setting के लिए achieve किया है, जो आपने खुद में सोचा है, if you see that, what you have to do is that now you have to eliminate all these 20, 25, 30, 40 आपने जितने भी numbers लिखे हैं, you have to eliminate all of them. You don't have to think anything about them. First, now your priority for this 1 year should only be on concentrating on what you have written right now for the first thing. Like suppose, like Ujjwala ji said she wants to earn 100 crore rupees. So now Ujjwala ji should only focus on getting that 100 crore rupees, how she can get that. Secondly, like suppose Night ji has put in like she wants to start a class or a school, whatever it is. I guess it's a school ka thing she has put in. So now for the next 1 year, उनको सिर्फ वो
नहीं, ये मेरे बच्चे हैं, नानू और ज़ेरा.
Oh, अच्छा, I thought
नानू is in 11th.
Okay.
नहीं, नानू is in 11th and Zera is in 9th.
अच्छा, so you want to look into the studies of there, ऐसा. Yeah. Okay. So now, Night ji, what you have to do is that you have to only concentrate for the next 1 year into the studies of these people. And जिस आपके जो भी है, the reason I told you this is because the moment this thing of yours get accomplished or you achieve this, you will find all the resources automatically coming in for you for getting the other things. आपने जो भी आपके लिस्ट में लिखे रहेंगे, मेरे को पता नहीं आपने क्या क्या लिखे है. Now if you go और आपके लिस्ट में देखोगे and if you think logically and you see कि हाँ अगर मैं ये चीज कर लेता हूँ, like suppose अभी उज्ज्वला जी ने लिखा 100 crore rupees. तो इफ शी फाइंड्स कि हाँ अगर मैं ये 100 crore rupees अगर मैं अचीव कर लेती हूँ तो आई कैन, इसमें जो भी लिखा है मैंने, मेरे को घर खरीदना है, बंगला खरीदना है, वर्ल्ड टूर पे जाना है, XYZ, आई डोंट नो व्हाट शी हैज रिटन, दैट ऑल विल फॉल इनटू प्लेस ऑटोमेटिकली फॉर मी. Now, like Avinash ji has put in, like he wants her wife ka complete cure. So if he focuses on that one right now, तो automatically everything उनका जो भी आगे का चीज करना है, that will automatically fall into the places. Now, like Gaurav ji has put in, like he wants a 50 crore company and a turnover with a profit of 20 crores. So now the moment Gaurav ji will only focus on the 20 crore profits, how he wants to earn that profit of 20 crores in the next 1 year, whatever he has written in that 25 things, now I can assure him that within next 1 year after achieving this, he can achieve most of those things. I don't know what is his list over there. Am I right, Gaurav ji? Right. Am I right, Ujjwala ji, what I said?
Yes.
Right. Thank you. Am I right, Avinash ji, what I told to you about your wife ka thing? Great. So this is a very important thing. What happens with us is that our brain roams around with so many things. अभी आप लोग ने खुद ने देख लिया, मेरे को ये करना है, वो करना है, ऐसा करना है, वैसा करना है. But then everything now got boiled down into one thing. What actually is going to take you into all these things? समझा आप लोग ने? And that is what you need to do.
True.
So this is the process which I made it out. You will not find it on Google. Since मैंने बनाया, इसके लिए मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ मैंने बनाया करके. You will never find it in Google किधर पे भी. So this
Copyright
process.
करा लो.
Yeah, ले लो. That's absolutely fine. You can use it. I don't want.
आप copyright करा लो, मैं बोली.
No. I don't want. No. I don't want copyright anything of this. So I call it as chunking your monkey mind करके. So our mind is like a monkey mind. अपन को 100 चीज एक साथ करनी रहती है. ये कर लूँ, वो कर लूँ, ऐसा कर लूँ, वैसा कर लूँ, and then अपन को कुछ भी चीज at the end of the day अपन कुछ भी चीज हासिल नहीं कर पाते. So now since you already know exactly what you want, what you need to do is that very specifically you have to tell your subconscious mind now कि मेरे को 20 करोड़ रुपए कमाने हैं profits में, मेरे को बता कैसे कमा के देगा. And the moment you tell it to your subconscious mind will tell you कि ये कर, वो कर, इधर एक्सपोर्ट कर, उधर एक्सपोर्ट कर, ये बिजनेस चालू कर, ये कर, XYZ things your subconscious mind will tell you. And the moment the money comes in, Gaurav ji, whatever you have written, that 25 things, you will be able to achieve them one by one without working on them actually. The same will go with Ujjwala ji also. The moment she starts earning that 100 CR rupees, she will be able to get into that other 38 things or 30 things, whatever she has written in her thing, and she will easily be able to get into that. Clear everyone with this process?
Yes.
Any doubts anyone has got?
Clear with it.
Good. All right. So how was this task, guys?
Difficult initially, but finally it looks easy now.
Right. That's all. Because what happens is that our mind, as I told you ना, अपन बहुत चीज सोचते हैं और अपन बहुत चीज एक साथ करने की ट्राई करते हैं कि मैं जिम भी चले जाओ, फिर मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर भी बन जाओ, मैं यूट्यूब भी चालू कर लूँ, मैं ये भी कर लूँ, मैं घर भी खरीद लूँ, गाड़ी भी खरीद लूँ, बंगला भी खरीद लूँ, और उस चक्कर में अपन कुछ भी नहीं कर पाते. ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, वी आर स्टिल इन द सेम प्लेस. अपन उसी जगह पे रहते हैं जिधर अपन पहले थे. पर अभी अगर सपोज मेरे को मालूम पड़ गया कि मेरे को घर खरीदना इज अ प्रायोरिटी फॉर मी, फॉर एन एग्जांपल, एंड मैं अगर उसी चीज को काम करता हूँ, फोकस करता हूँ उस पे, तो व्हाट विल हैपन इज दैट माय पाथवे बिकम्स क्लियर फॉर मी. मेरा रास्ता जो है वो क्लियर हो जाता है मेरे को कि मेरे को सिर्फ एक ही चीज करना है. एंड जैसे मैं वो एक चीज अचीव करता हूँ, बट ऑब्वियस देन आई कैन स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन माय अदर थिंग्स आल्सो. So do this exercise. It's a very powerful tool which I am teaching, which I have taught you today, and that will surely give you 100% results after 1 year. If it doesn't give you result after following this, you can come back to me. कि नहीं दिया तो, but obviously yeah, do come and let me know. But then yes, it will surely give you the results for sure. I can guarantee you for that.
So these tasks will last for 3 years, Gaurav, or we have to make another list and all that.
Sorry, समझा नहीं नीरज जी, क्या बोल रहे हो?
Actually, we prepared this list for a span of 3 years.
Right. Yes.
Right. So this list will stay up to 3 years, or we can modify things and all that.
No, you can change it accordingly. आपको जब भी जैसा लगे. But then now, अभी जैसे गौरव जी ने बोला उनको 20 करोड़ रुपए कमाना है प्रॉफिट्स में, तो आफ्टर 6 months he should not get back कि अरे मेरे को अभी 50 करोड़ कमाना है या 60 करोड़ कमाना है या 1 करोड़ ही कमाना है. He should stick to that goal. Then only he will be able to achieve it. उन्होंने जो 25 चीज लिखे थे उसमें वो प्लस माइनस कर सकते हैं कि मेरे को वर्ल्ड टूर जाने का था, वाइफ को इधर लेके जाना है, बच्चों को उधर लेके जाना है, फिर वो ऐड नहीं किया था, कल को बच्चों के बच्चे सपोज शादी हो गई, कुछ भी XYZ कि मेरी बहन को मेरे को गिफ्ट देना है, ही कैन पुट इन, ऐड कर सकते हैं और माइनस भी कर सकते हो उसमें. बट देन द मेन जो गोल है आपका वो आप चेंज मत करो फॉर एटलीस्ट 1 year.
That will remain same.
Yeah, that should be the same thing. Because अगर वो आप चेंज करते रहोगे then every time suppose 6 महीने बाद गौरव जी बोलते हैं नहीं 20 करोड़ नहीं मेरे को 10 करोड़ कमाना है, तो then again he has to take 1 year from that time now. Then 6 महीने मतलब मार्च, so मार्च से again next मार्च तक he will be 1 year he has to give him. And even suppose 20 करोड़ नहीं कमा पाए गौरव जी, there is nothing harm in that. At least he will be earning some 10 crores, 12 crores, 15 crores maybe. For sure.
What do we do regularly? Like, do we have to practice this every day? In what sense?
No, you don't have to practice this. This is the one-time exercise now. Now what I'm telling you is that now since you know, Ujjwala ji, that आपको 100 crore रुपए कमाने हैं, right? So what you have to work now is that you need to find out the sources from where you can earn this 100 crore rupees. And you have to work on that for the next 1 year.
This is the basically target, and we have to look for the arrows, you know.
Right, absolutely.
You'll hit the target.
Correct. So now you have to find out the resources from and the opportunities जिधर से आपको ये 100 करोड़ रुपए आपको कमाने के लिए मदद करेगा, आपको 100 करोड़ अचीव करने के लिए. So that
Focus
is
will remain the same. Means will change. You know?
Right.
You have to look for means and ways.
That will help.
सौरभ, मेरा डाउट ये है कि लाइक ये जो नानू ज़ेरा का स्टडी है, सेकंड नंबर पे मेरा एस्टैब्लिशिंग ट्रेनिंग है, Q1 लाइक सम मंथली 1 लाख मंथली, Q2 2 लाख, ये पैसे कैसे आएंगे?
तो उसके लिए you have to work on that. ये actually financial goal था, आपने उसको personal उसमें लिया, so that's fine. What you can do is that you can again think about the processes and then you can do. But obviously like आप ऐसा तो नहीं कि आप 24 घंटा बच्चों को ही पढ़ा रहे हो, बच्चे भी 24 घंटा पढ़ने नहीं वाले, right? So you have to focus on bread and butter also. So what you can do is that your second priority जो आपको 1 लाख रुपए कमाना है आपको, you can work on that simultaneously.
ठीक है.
So that will help you to achieve your financial freedom whatever you are doing. And then आपका जो बच्चों का है वो तो साइड में आप पढ़ा ही सकते हो.
Okay.
Or there is one approach. Basically, a thing which can be done by the specialist. No, we can utilize that time for building our goals. Mute कुछ voice आ रहा है ना?
कौन बात कर रहा है? किधर से आ रहा है? अच्छा वो
नीरज जी के यहाँ पे शायद.
नहीं, I am alone.
तिवारी जी का अनम्यूटेड है.
अच्छा तिवारी जी का. All right. So
नहीं मेरे यहाँ कोई.
अच्छा नहीं है. अब बंद हो गया.
नहीं, मेरा बेटा था, मेरा बेटा बोल रहा था.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं.
गेम खेल रहा है.
चलो
मेरे यहाँ कोई नहीं है सर.
सबकी चेकिंग हुई है.
मेरे को बुलाऊंगा.
कोई बात नहीं तिवारी जी. तो मैं कहना चाह रहा था कि जिस काम को कोई स्पेशलिस्ट कर सकता है, हम उस टाइम का यूटिलाइजेशन अपने गोल्स को अचीव करने में कर सकते हैं, राइट? इन केस ऑफ नाइट, सपोज शी इज नॉट टीचिंग हर चिल्ड्रन ऑन अ पर्सनल बेसिस, शी कैन हायर ट्यूटर्स, राइट? एंड शी कैन सेव हर 1 or 2 hours. Those 2 hours she can focus on building her goal, right?
अच्छा, इसमें मैंने अपना प्रीवियस बिजनेस नहीं लिखा है, स्मार्ट टिप्स. मैंने सोचा है कि वो ऑटोमेटिक चलेगा. आई हैव रिटन अ न्यू गोल. So should I write my current business also?
That's completely your choice, Nahid ji. That is your personal 25 thing. If you want, what you can do is that you can redo this exercise once again, and you will come to know exactly now क्या करना है आपको करके. You can ये recording देख लेना एक बार वापस, and then you can redo the exercise once again आपका. So you will get clear.
Okay. नाहिद जी, मैं अविनाश बोल रहा हूँ. नाहिद जी.
हाँ.
जैसे सौरभ जी ने बोला कि गोल, तो जब अपना जो माइंड होता है, एक मिनट ना
इसीलिए मेरा गोल आपने देखा ना, नंबर 1 गोल
नहीं
क्यों है?
we do Nahid ji, I do understand. I do counseling for 11th standard students, so I
Yeah.
have a lot of experience. Okay, that should be your priority. Your
नहीं,
priority
अभी
is
मैंने
हाँ,
मैंने
अभी
ये
मैं
सोच लिया है कि पूरी दुनिया एक तरफ और अभी ये दोनों बच्चे एक तरफ।
बिल्कुल 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 सही बात है। अभी जैसे सौरभ जी ने बोला, जी सौरभ जी ने बोला कि गोल हमको उन्होंने कैसे शॉर्टलिस्ट करना और सिखा दिया। तो अभी अपना माइंड जो होता है, इट्स अ ऑटोमेटिक पायलट, ऑटो पायलट। एक बार आपने उसको गोल दे दिया तो फिर वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका ही माइंड आपको 1000 तरीके बताएगा कि ये कैसे अचीव किया जा सकता है। सो इट विल कम ऑटोमेटिकली, यू जस्ट हैव टू रिमाइंड योरसेल्फ ऑफ योर गोल, सो इट विल हैपन। और आपको खुद ही आइडियाज आएंगे, जस्ट नोट इट डाउन एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दैट आइडिया।
Absolutely, Avinash ji. That is what is called as RAS, like reticular articulate system होता है NLP में, I teach that. So that helps you to get the things, like subconscious mind को एक बार सिग्नल मिल जाता है आपको क्या अचीव करना है आपके लाइफ में, तो subconscious mind will start throwing the opportunities to you. But then it depends upon you now, how good you are, how attentive you are in getting those opportunities in your favor. Like we always say, opportunity नहीं मिलता, opportunity नहीं मिलता है। ऐसा क्यों होता है कि अपने को opportunity नहीं मिलता है पर दूसरे को opportunity मिलता है? उसको भी वही सेम हाथ है, सेम आंखें, सेम कान है, सेम समझ है जो अपन को है, और वो उसको क्यों मिलता है, अपन को क्यों नहीं मिलता है? Because
should I share one tip? Should I share one tip?
Yeah.
Basically, we can have a goal card, small, just like a credit card size. You know, we can put our goal and with a date, specific date. You know, by this date we'll achieve it.
Correct.
And you can keep it in your purse or pocket or wherever. You can pull it out time and again, and watch it.
That we were already going to teach you. आपने बताया.
Yeah. Yes. No problem. We'll do that also.
So that actually that goal card of mine has gone to my designer for आज ही गया वो designer के पास.
Very good.
So I will give you that goal card also. Don't worry on that. It's getting worked on. So that I will give you within a day or two.
Yes.
So that you can do. Yeah, that's a very effective thing too. All right. So everyone's clear with this exercise, guys? Chunking the monkey in your brain process.
Yes, sure.
Cool. Chala. So now, guys, I would be teaching you a decision-making skill, decision-making step. And again, guys, it is a foolproof step. I can guarantee your decisions won't be like failed. Like you, अगर fail भी होते हैं, तो you won't regret with that decision. So again, I will teach you this.
Volume.
All right. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
All right.
Again.
Great.
Audible.
So again, now is there anyone over here who wants to make some decision, but then he or she is not able to take that decision? Just type in I. Okay, Rashmi ji is there. Super. Avinash ji. Great. So, ठीक है. What we can do is that
क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
हाँ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ इधर अभी मैं जो आपको सिखाने वाला हूँ डिसीजन मेकिंग बताने वाला हूँ. डिसीजन मेकिंग के 8 स्टेप्स बताऊंगा आपको. And how you can make decision ये स्टेप्स को लेके. ठीक है? तो का लिख लीजिए आप लोग. 8 steps for making decisions in your life. Foolproof decisions. These are basically foolproof decisions which you can make in your life using this tool. Okay. So decision making का सबसे first step होता है You need to decide exactly आपको क्या decide करना है, decision क्या लेना है. Decide on the decision which you want to make or which you want to take. क्योंकि बहुत लोग को ये होता है कि उनको पता ही नहीं रहता कि उनका decision क्या लेना है उनको करके. किस चीज पे decision ले उनको वो भी नहीं पता रहता है. तो आप सबसे पहले decide करिए आपको क्या चीज का decision लेना है. लाइक सपोज मेरे को शादी करनी है, मेरे को एंगेजमेंट करनी है, मेरे को क्या करना है, मेरे को बिजनेस चालू करना है, मेरे को हाउस खरीदना है या वॉट एवर इट इज, तो दैट डिसीजन नीड्स टू बी देयर। अपन सिर्फ सोचते रहते हैं हाँ मेरे को शादी करनी है, मेरे को जिम ज्वाइन करना है, मेरे को ये करना है, बट देन वी आर नॉट एबल टू टेक डिसीजन ऑन द डिसीजन आल्सो कि हमको कब से क्या करना है करके। तो द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज दैट यू हैव टू डिसाइड ऑन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू। डिसीजन का क्या डिसीजन लेना है। एवरीवन इज क्लियर विद दिस फर्स्ट स्टेप?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes.
All right. Now the second step would be you need to decide on a research strategy of making this जो भी decision आपने लिया। I will give you an example so that you can relate with me. Suppose I want to buy a car. मैंने एक decision लिया है, मेरे को एक कार खरीदनी है। Now what I have to do is that I have to decide on the research strategy about this car. What I will do is that I will do Google पे जाऊंगा मैं, और else I will do research on various portals, जैसे कार के portals होते हैं। सबसे पहले तो मैंने decide कर लिया कि मेरे को एक मारुति की वैगन आर खरीदनी है, let's assume a random thing। तो what I will do is that now I have to make a research strategy of this, and I have to go on all the various sources available on Google, internet, everywhere, and I have to find out the pros and cons of this car। ठीक है? And also I have to give a time frame to this। ऐसा नहीं कि मैं 6 दिन, 8 दिन, 1 महीना, 2 महीना, 5 महीना सिर्फ रिसर्च ही करते रहा। बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, आपने देखा रहेगा कि स्पेशली घर खरीदना रहता है लोगों को, तो वो लोग सिर्फ रिसर्च ही करते रहते हैं कि हाँ मैं आज घर खरीदूंगा, कल घर खरीदूंगा, परसों खरीदूंगा, और ऐसे उनके सालों 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 चले जाते हैं, पर वो कभी घर नहीं खरीद पाते। तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको वो चीज के लिए जो आप रिसर्च कर रहे हो उसका एक टाइम फ्रेम डालना है आपको कि मैं इतने दिन में ये पूरा रिसर्च मेरा कंप्लीट करूंगा। अगर सपोज मेरे को मोबाइल खरीदना है, इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल थिंग ऑफ 20-25 हजार रुपए का, तो मैं एक रिसर्च डालूंगा कि मैं 2 दिन का मेरे को टाइम देता हूँ। सौरभ तेरे को 2 दिन है, आज 14 तारीख है, 15-16 तारीख तक तेरे को जो मोबाइल देखना है, जैसा मोबाइल देखना है देख ले, गूगल पे जा, यूट्यूब पे जा, वॉट एवर यू वांट टू डू, बट देन मेक अ टाइम फ्रेम फॉर योरसेल्फ कि ये टाइम में मेरे को फाइनल डिसीजन लेना है कि मेरे को कौन सा मोबाइल लेना है। दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इन दैट। क्लियर? कि मेरे को वीवो लेना है, कि मेरे को एप्पल लेना है, कि आईफोन लेना है, कि वॉट एवर है मेरे को लेना है, कितना बजट का लेना है, 20,000 का, 25,000 का, 50,000 का, एवरीथिंग दैट नीड्स टू बी डन इन दैट रिसर्च का 2 दिन, 3 दिन, 4 दिन, 5 दिन का उसमें। क्लियर?
Research plus time frame.
Correct. It needs to be time frame. Second thing, the second step would be, guys, what you have to do is that you have to now limit down your options. अभी जैसे अगर सपोज मैं मोबाइल देख रहा था, तो मैंने 25,000 का मोबाइल का रिसर्च किया, तो 25,000 के मोबाइल में मेरे को बहुत सारे मोबाइल मिले। मेरे को Xiaomi का मिला, मेरे को OnePlus मिल गया, मेरे को Vivo मिल गया, Oppo मिल गया, XYZ सब मोबाइल मिल गए मेरे को। Now what I have to do is that मेरे रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से I have to narrow down on the option. Now I will feel कि हाँ 25,000 में मेरा रिक्वायरमेंट है कि मेरे को कैमरा अच्छा होना चाहिए, तो आई फाइंड ओके ये जो ओप्पो का F17 आया है तो इसका कैमरा बहुत अच्छा है, 64 मेगापिक्सल है, स्नैपड्रैगन प्रोसेसर है, इतना GB रैम है, 8 GB, 12 GB, whatever it is, and this is the best thing for me. So now you have to narrow down on exactly what you want. That is the second step for you. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Great. The third step would be, the moment you narrow down on this thing, you need to accept this as a good enough product and you should not run behind the best. इसका मतलब क्या है? जैसे मैंने एक मोबाइल फाइनल कर लिया, लेट्स अज्यूम मैंने ये मोबाइल फाइनल कर लिया, दैट इज Oppo F11। मैंने जैसे इसको फाइनल कर लिया, I have to stick with this itself। मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता अपने आप को, अरे 1 महीना रुक जाता हूँ, 15 दिन रुक जाता हूँ, अभी इसका बेटर वर्जन आ रहा है करके, या 20 दिन रुक जाता हूँ, इसका नेक्स्ट वर्जन में ले लूंगा करके। If I do that, then I'm not taking any decision. Understanding, guys? समझ रहे हैं आप लोग को?
Especially वाइफ और फोन का बेटर वर्जन हमेशा आते रहता है।
Right, absolutely correct. So
What?
can't wait for that.
वाइफ का भी आते रहता है?
Yeah, and अभी
शादी किए बगैर इंतजार करते रहेंगे तो आते रहता है।
every 6 months you will get a new model.
मुझे लगा ये इसका तो आज तक कोई सेल नहीं लगा, फ्लिपकार्ट पे ना अमेज़न पे।
Our version is the best.
Right.
तिवारी जी का वॉइस डिस्टॉर्ट हो जाता है.
आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है तिवारी जी.
ऐसा डिस्टर्ब रहता है. नहीं आ रहा है क्या?
नहीं, रुक रुक के आ रहा है.
हाँ, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम रहती है यहाँ पर.
There's one thing, Saurabh. In case of a product, you know, in case of a product, we can narrow down the choices and all that with the research and everything. But suppose something is related to a process. Say, for example, we want to repay our debt and all. Suppose we have debts, you know. Suppose the housing loan is there. No, that's a liability. You want to repay it.
Right.
So, how do we narrow down the choices in that? We
So
have to.
in that you need to find out which is the first that you want to clear. Suppose if you have multiple debts like credit card ka ho gaya, personal loan ho gaya, home loan ho gaya, whatever it is. So you have to now narrow down on which debt you want to work on first.
Okay. I think Neeraj ji has posted this book. I will teach you to be rich in the group.
Okay.
There is a 6-week program on that which Ramit teaches. If you can follow that, you will get the answer.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, ma'am. Thank you. I'll go through it. Thank you.
Right. So that is what you can do. What Ujjwala ji is saying. Or else, as I told you, first you need to like आप सब एक साथ debts नहीं clear कर सकते हो, right? You have to take one thing right now. And उसमें भी क्या करने का जिसमें आपका सबसे ज़्यादा rate of interest है ना जा रहा है. So you have to take that into consideration first.
Absolutely.
Okay. Suppose credit card है, उसका सबसे ज़्यादा होता है.
Highest होता है. It should be repaid first.
Correct. Yeah. Then उसके बाद जो होता है वो personal loans का होता है. Then personal loans को आप clear करो. फिर personal loan के बाद आपका home loans आया या car loan आया. Sorry, car loan का interest ज़्यादा होता है. तो car loan को clear करो. फिर car loan के बाद आपका घर का loan आया. फिर घर का loan को clear करो.
Like that.
That way you can see what exactly you want to clear off first.
Like that.
Right.
Got it.
Okay. So now since you have already made the decision that you want to buy this product, the next step would be like you need to be very mentally be prepared to face all the positive and the negative consequences of buying this product or services or taking that decision. What I mean to say with that is that suppose मैंने ये मोबाइल लेना का decide कर लिया है, तो now I have to be mentally be prepared with all the kind of consequences I am going to face with this mobile. I don't know कल को मैं ये मोबाइल लेता हूँ and ये मोबाइल miserably fail हो जाता है market में and after 1 month ये मोबाइल बिकता भी नहीं है and then it is very difficult for me to sell this mobile because इसका resale value completely zero हो गया because out of market हो गया ये. I'm just giving examples. Or else it is going really well. Like let's take an example of a house. आपने बहुत एक अच्छा घर खरीदा and it is a very premium property and you brought that house with all the decision of yours, सोच समझ के strategy सब apply करके and that property costed you around 1 CR. And now जैसे कोरोना आ गया, now the property price have gone to 70 lakhs or 80 lakhs or whatever it is. Example I am giving. So you should not blame anyone for this.
That was number 4. I'm going through the situation.
Yeah, then you should not blame others. Because that was your own decision. So you have to take that decision on your own. Because what happens most of the time is that अगर अपन किसका सुन के कोई decision लेते हैं ना, then we put that decision का blame on other. Like suppose अभी नीरज जी ने मेरे को बोला रहता अरे सौरभ ये XYZ जगह पे घर खरीद ले बहुत अच्छा करके फ्रेंड्स कॉलोनी में जगह ले ले बहुत प्रॉपर्टी मस्त चल रहा है उधर का. मैं नीरज जी का सुन के उधर 25-50 लाख रुपया डाल दिया. And then कल को अगर वो appreciate होएगा तो I will never come to Neeraj ji and say अरे thank you so much because of you I did so and so good करके. But then the moment it is back to square one, like I am invested 50 lakhs and I'm just getting 30-40 lakhs out of that, I will tell Neeraj ji and I will tell 100 people also अरे वो नीरज जी की वजह से मेरा पैसा टक गया फालतू में मैंने उनका बात सुना करके. It happens, right? Everyone can connect with this. तो आप लोग को जो भी decision लेते हो आप वो decision के कुछ भी consequences होंगे you have to face on your own. You will never pass it on to others.
This is number 4.
Yeah, that is number 5.
What was number 4?
I told you have to accept the good and don't run behind the best. Like अभी आपने एक मोबाइल तो उसी मोबाइल को डिसीजन लो कि मेरे को ये मोबाइल खरीदना है. आप अभी दूसरे मोबाइल के बारे में मत पूछो.
नंबर 3 में लिखा है मैंने ये फाइनल स्टिक डाउन टू इट.
मैंने भी accept it as good enough and don't run behind others.
That is number 3.
That was number
number 3 है.
The limit your option was
Number
number
3 क्या
3.
है?
Narrow down choices.
Limit your option. अभी जैसे मेरे को मोबाइल लेना है तो 25 मोबाइल लेके मैंने उसमें से एक मोबाइल मैंने किया तो that is I have limited my option to only number 1. Like मेरे को Vivo का F11 लेना है, F17 जो भी अभी आ रहा है, I don't know what it is. I want to buy this product only. iPhone X लेना है मेरे को, तो I have now limited my option to only iPhone X. That was the number 3. Then the number 4 is that I should not run behind other products की हाँ अभी iPhone का न्यूज आया कल ही कि 10 दिन 15 दिन बाद एक नया फोन आ रहा है तो I should wait for iPhone का न्यू प्रोडक्ट to come in करके. I should not do that. After that, the next step is that I should be mentally prepared for everything, whether how good the product is going to be or how bad the product is going to be. उसका जो भी consequences होता है प्रोडक्ट लेके आके मेरे को खुद ही उसको झेलना है या मेरे को खुद ही उसका खुशी मनाना है. अगर मैं iPhone X लिया है एंड मालूम पड़ा वो X10 आ गया उसके बाद एंड इसका प्राइस एकदम ड्रास्टिकली 1 लाख की जगह 70,000 रुपया हो गया अचानक से, तो आई शुड नॉट क्रेप अबाउट इट, अरे ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ करके. यू शुड बी okay with that because that was your own decision.
Okay, got that. Thank
Clear?
you.
Right. Now the next thing would be, once you have done everything, what you have to do is that you have to listen to your gut feeling about this product. Everyone had got that gut instincts होते हैं सबको, right? आप कुछ भी decision लेते हो आपके life में, you get that internal feeling कि मैं ये सही कर रहा हूँ या नहीं कर रहा हूँ करके. अगर आपको लगता है आपका गट बोलता है कि नहीं आप ये सही नहीं कर रहे हो, then you have to go back to your step 1 and you have to do this step processes everything from the start. सब चीज आपको स्टार्टिंग से वापस करना पड़ेगा because your gut is not allowing you to do that. Clear everyone on this?
Gut is the second mind.
Yeah, absolutely.
For the knowledge of us all.
Right. So अगर आपका gut feeling आपको नहीं करता है कि आगे जाने नहीं दे रहा है ये चीज को करने को, so what you need to do is that you need to go back again to your step 1 and then you have to do the exercise once again, guys.
Right.
Clear? So far so good?
So we have completed only 6, right?
Right.
Listen to your gut feeling and if it doesn't permit, then you go back to step 1.
Absolutely, right.
Okay, thanks.
Now, the 7th step would be, you need to take an opinion of the experts in this field. When I say experts, it should not only be like, I don't mean that kind of tech. अभी जैसे अगर मेरे को मोबाइल लेना है तो मैं वो राजीव मखानी के पास या कोई टेक गुरु के पास नहीं जाऊंगा, but obvious I can go to a person like suppose I want to buy a mobile which is Apple का R10X, okay R10 लेना है मेरे को, Apple का latest मोबाइल लेना है and already Gaurav ji is using that mobile. So what I will do is that I will contact Gaurav ji and ask him कि अरे Gaurav ji I am planning to buy this mobile, what do you think about, is this mobile a good mobile or no करके. So what Gaurav ji will do is that he will give me honest feedback about the product कि हाँ अरे इसका ये हैंग होता है ऐसा होता है मत ले यार मैं भी लेके पछता रहा हूँ, और else he will give me very good reviews कि अरे मस्त फोन है करके, it's a very good processor है, कभी हैंग नहीं होता है, XYZ reasons and all. Similarly, if you are buying a house, you need to find out someone who has already bought a property in that locality itself and उनको जाके पूछो कि आपने जो घर खरीदा है कैसा है, ये एरिया अच्छा है क्या करके, इसका प्रॉपर्टी का अप्रिशिएशन कैसा है, हाउ इज द अराउंड सराउंडिंग कैसा है, इसका आजू बाजू के लोग कैसे है, माहौल कैसा है एंड ऑल. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई मीन बाय एन एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन. इट शुड नॉट हैपन कि सपोज अभी मेरे को आईफोन एक्स लेना है 1.5 लाख रुपए का एंड आई गो टू समवन जिसने कभी आईफोन यूज ही नहीं किया उसके लाइफ में and I will ask him, like suppose Yashashree has never used iPhone, so I will go and ask Yashashree, अरे Yashashree अगर मेरे को iPhone लेना कैसा है, लूँ क्या मैं करके. Do you think she will be able to do justice to the feedback? No, right? She will not. So similarly, आपको जो चीज चाहिए, you make sure कि वो चीज वो कोई तो बंदा 2 लोग के पास जाओ जिनके पास minimum 2 I am talking of. You can go to as many as you want, and minimum 2 के पास जाओ और उनको पूछो कि ये चीज कैसी है. Clear?
Yes.
The next thing would be, once you take the feedback of everyone कि हाँ सपोज अभी मेरे को मालूम पड़ गया कि मेरे को ये यशस्वी ने भी बोला या इट्स अ वेरी गुड फोन, नीरज जी ने भी बोला या इट्स अ मस्त फोन है, ले ले आग बंद करके, आईफोन का ब्रांड भी अच्छा है, ऐसा फलाना टिका, एवरीथिंग. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द फीडबैक व्हाट एवर माई एक्सपर्ट्स हैव टोल्ड मी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट आई शुड नॉट क्वेश्चन माई डिसीजंस, थिंकिंग अबाउट कि अरे अभी नीरज जी ने बोला ना मेरे को, पर आई थिंक आई शुड गो टू मोर 5-6 लोगों के पास मैं जाके पूछूं, या मैं और थोड़ा कुछ रिसर्च कर लूं क्या इसके बारे में, या मैं एक हफ्ता रुक जाऊं क्या करके. आई शुड नॉट डू दोस थिंग. मैं वो सब चीज वापस नहीं करना चाहिए. What I have to do is that now I have to stick to my decisions, and I should not question my decision to myself, and I should go and do that task immediately, as soon as possible. Yes,
So
Neeraj.
if the expert opinion goes otherwise the decision that I have taken, then what should be done?
So that's why I'm saying minimum 2 opinions you take, or else you can take 3, 4, 5 opinions also. Opinion गलत जा भी सकता है. Suppose अभी I am driving a Mercedes Benz, okay, and now you come to me and say, अरे सौरभ मेरे को Mercedes लेना है, C class में लूँ क्या करके, and I'm not a good well wisher of Gaurav. So what I will do is that I will say, अरे गौरव मत ले फालतू का, मैं भी लेके पछता रहा हूँ, पता है कि इतना महंगा ये है, महंगा वो है, तू पागल हो जाएगा, उसका इंश्योरेंस भरते भरते उसका पार्ट्स इतना महंगा है, मेंटेनेंस इतना महंगा है, XYZ, and I will give you wrong feedback, but then I am very happy with that thing. Correct? It happens many a time because of jealousy also. People tell you उन्होंने खुद ने अच्छा घर लिया रहेगा, but then they will never tell you to buy your own house. They will only tell you हाँ तुम भाड़े पे रह लो, ये कर लो, वो कर लो, because they don't want you to grow in your life. तो इसके लिए मिनिमम 2-3 लोगों को आप फीडबैक पूछो जो आर एक्चुअल एंड यूजर्स है वो चीज के, and then you take that decision. Clear everyone?
Yes.
So 7th point was take opinion of experts in this field, and last May it is again feedback.
Yeah, no, it is not feedback. I am saying the last point is don't question your decision. एक बार अभी आपने feedback ले लिया सबसे, what you have to do is that now you have to act on that and you have to take decision on that. Now जैसे मैंने अभी feedback ले लिया गौरव से, यशस्वी से, नीरज जी से, रश्मि जी से कि iPhone मेरे को X लेने का 10X जो भी है वो latest वाला I want to buy. तो now I should not wait another कि हाँ मैं और 4 लोग को पूछता हूँ, मैं थोड़ा और research करता हूँ ना. No, I have already completed these 7 processes, 7 steps. Now my time should be coming that I should go and buy that product. That is my decision, and I have to convert that decision into an action. Convert your decision into action. That is what is the last thing. Any doubts on this?
No, got it.
Saurabh, can you summarize all the steps of the?
Sorry?
Can you just repeat the names of the steps once again?
Sure. See, the very first thing is that you have to take decision. I will go fast. I will not repeat it again and again. You can just see the recordings later on. Okay. The very first thing is that you have to take a decision what you want to do. Okay. The second thing is that you need to decide on the research strategy. Keep a time frame of 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever it is. Then the third thing would be you need to limit on your options. Once you have taken the research कर लिया है कि मेरे को 4 लाख का गाड़ी खरीदना है, 4 लाख में 10 गाड़ी आते हैं, उसमें से एक गाड़ी now you have to narrow down कि WagonR is the best thing which suits me. You have to limit down on your options. Then after that, what you have to do is that you should not run behind the best. You should stick with your decision. It's not कि अरे हाँ WagonR अभी ये मॉडल है, but then अभी मैंने न्यूज में देखा कि 4 महीने बाद WagonR के एक अपग्रेडेड मॉडल आ रहा है, तो मैं 4 महीना रुकता हूँ करके. No, you should not do that. You should stick to your decision and you should not run behind the best. The next step after that would be you need to be mentally prepared with all the consequences of whatever is happening with this car. कल को अगर 4 महीने बाद ये 4 लाख की गाड़ी अगर WagonR का नया मॉडल आता है तो इसका प्राइस डाउन हो जाएगा, 3.5 लाख का हो जाएगा, जो भी हो जाएगा, तो you should not be sad with that or nor you should blame anyone for that. So you should be ready to face all the consequences. The next step would be you need to listen to your gut feeling. आपका gut feeling क्या बोलता है कि whether you would be really liking this car, you would be taking this car, are you really doing, आपका gut feeling जो भी आपको बताएगा, take the opinion. अगर आपको लगता है कि गलत बात आपका gut feeling बोल रहा है मत लो ये गाड़ी, then you have to repeat the exercise full. अगर हाँ बोलता है तो move to the next step, take the opinion of the experts. That means 2-3 लोगों को ऑलरेडी पूछो जो WagonR चला रहे हैं या चला चुके हैं, उनको पूछो कि ये गाड़ी कैसी है. अगर वो बोलते हैं अच्छी गाड़ी है then take the car. अगर बोलते नहीं है तो then again you can take some other car and you can do this. Okay. And suppose वो हो गया, उसके बाद then you have to take actions on your decision. Now what you have to do, you should not wait another for 5 days, 10 days, 15 days. You should immediately go to a car dealership and book your car.
Correct. Thank you.
So this will help you to shorten down your decision making process. And that's 100% foolproof thing. You can try it for yourself and you can tell me tomorrow. आप कुछ भी decision ले सकते हो इससे. अगर लड़की को शादी करना है, लड़के को शादी करना है, propose करना है किसको, even for that you can use this. It is that effective. It can be taken. अगर आपको divorce लेना है, कुछ भी करना है किसको, relationship issue है, you can use this for that. कुछ property करनी है, कुछ भी लेना है, sale करना है, you can use this. So it's a very powerful tool which will help you to take decision in any kind of matters. It's clear?
Clear.
All right, chala. So that was the last thing for today. So how was the exercise, guys, and how did you find both the things today? The day one of the Neuro Money Warriors of Wealth.
It was really great. Both the processes are superb, actually. That is based on the that is logical and that is with reason, with powerful reason. It will definitely work.
Correct. True. Thank you so much.
Yeah, even I love the goal setting bit. Very interestingly, I never realized it, but yeah, it's nice to know that you bought things in focus, because my first 3 points I didn't have to change. Surprisingly, I didn't have many, because if I remember, I had only 9 points. So my first 5 points were exact what you mentioned. I didn't have to cut anything. When we zeroed down, my one was 1. But I love the fact that when you pointed out the fact that, you know, if you achieve your 1, the rest would kind of follow through like a domino effect. That I never correlated. So, I mean, yeah, that was like something new that suddenly struck in. Yeah, if I get that, the rest is just, you know, an offshoot of the same. That was nice. And I love the decision-making steps.
Oh,
I think that's really interesting.
Great, great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Cool. Rashmi ji ka bhi same ऐसा ही था. First was always first till the last. Good. ठीक है. So with this, we come to the end for today's session, guys. Now, if we want to have conversation, I will stop the recording and then take it further.
Okay.